This video is about the pros and cons. For a better alternative smartphone, follow the link in the description below. First, the pros. USB Type-C is present. It supports USB OTG cable. It has NFC. The processor is the latest from MediaTek in the Helio P series. The rated battery capacity is larger than the average ones. It has gyroscope sensor. The GPU is also the latest model. Corning Gorilla Glass for the protection of display is present. The screen is Full HD+. Fast charging for the battery is present. Face recognition unlock is present. Compass is present. The body is made out of metal. The operating system is Android Pie. It has the ambient light sensor. The internal memory is 128 GB. The touch supports up to 10 fingers at max. RAM is of 6 GB. And now the cons. The smartphone is not water resistant. The Bluetooth is not version 5.0. Wireless charging is absent. No stereo speakers for better multimedia experience. The camera cannot record slow-motion videos. Optical zoom for the primary camera is absent. It does not have infrared sensor. It has no any image stabilization for the camera. The 3.5mm audio port is not present. The memory card slot is a hybrid one. For a better alternative smartphone, follow the link in the description below.